Hello, everybody. This is Mark Hill. Today, I just wanted to talk about Lockheed Martin. I want to talk about their stock. Lockheed Martin, it's a great investment. It's a great company. Um, they just recently beat earnings, spring of 2019. As you can see here, strong earnings beat. The stock rises. It looks like they are doing very well fundamentally and technically with the stock. As you look at the stock here, it bottomed out. It had a little breather, took a little downturn in 2018 because not that anything was necessarily wrong, it's just that the stock had went up for about 6 or 7 years in a row. So it deserved to take a little breather. It bottomed out at about $260 a share back in January 2019. And it's been rising ever since and looks like it's going to break out. It could break out into new highs with the fundamentals doing well. Down here you can see the black MACD line getting ready to cross over to set up the new uptrend. It's a great company, like I said. We can look at the dividends. It's a great dividend paying company. For the last 16 years, they've been raising the dividend. But they also have been paying the dividend for over 20 years or more. But the last 16 years, they've actually raised it every year. Something income-seeking investors love to see. The payout ratio is very low, only about 50%. So they have much more room in the earnings to keep raising the dividend even higher. And they usually raise the dividend about 10% every year, significantly beating out inflation. The next dividend payment is on June 28th. I mean, it's such a great company. I would look for it to go into new highs, probably maybe into the 400, possibly into the $400 a share. $400 to $50. It's $400 to $500 a share sometime within the next 6 to 12 months. The latter part of 2019, early part of 2020. I mean, most people already know what Lockheed Martin specializes in. The fighter jet. They're very famous for that. F-16, F-35, F-22 Raptor. Very, very high demand for these jets by governments, militaries all over the world. I mean, military spending is at an all-time high with the United States, around 80 or 90 billion per year. Then you've got China and all the European industrialized countries. Massive military budgets and spending. They're even into the they're most well known for the fighter jets, but apparently they make a lot of marine warships. As you can see here, they make ships for Japan, South Korea, Spain, Norway, Australia. They do a little bit of everything for the military, defense, and aerospace industry. I mean, they've got a lot of outer space initiative satellites out there that they make, drones, missiles, anything you can think of, military, aerospace, marine. Look at the satellites. The U.S. government was talking about having a new branch called the Space Force. So there's going to be a lot of government spending for outer space exploration, etc., etc. When you go to their website, you can see all the various services and products that they provide. It's a rock solid company. Absolutely. It's only about 4 major players in the military defense industry. You got Lockheed Martin, Boeing, Northrop Grumman, and General Dynamics. So it's a great company to consider, either for it could be a great dividend, long-term dividend income hold for years and years, or it could be a short-term swing trade, 6 to 12 month swing trade. It's just all around great company to consider. It came up on my scanner because I'm always, my technical scans that I do periodically to see which big name blue chip companies are setting up for another big uptrend, and Lockheed Martin has met the standard for recently setting up fundamentally and technically to go to new highs, to trend higher. So this is Mark Hill. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to order the book, The Secret to Prosperity, available on Amazon. The link will be in the description, and check out the blog, wealthmotivation.com. Have a great day.